Hey guys, today is a video not about a razor or honing, but about a soap, the famous Mitchell Woolfat. I love this soap, really amazing quality of shave, and I love the smell also. But there's really something that bothers me, is this gap. When you put the soap in the container, the very nice container, there's a big gap where the water sits, and I just don't like that. And the soap will take longer to dry, and that's not cool. So, I mean, this soap obviously has its detractor and promoters. I was first a detractor. It can be hard to build a good laser, but once you know how to do it, it's an amazing soap, really. And just about overloading the shave brush. And I love it so much that I bought already another one there. So let's see. The thing I'd like to do is to grate the soap with a normal cheese grater and try then to compact it in the container again. So let's see how we can do that. Might take a bit of time though. It's a very, very hard soap. Yeah, it might take a bit of time, indeed. Gym of the day. Smells really good here now.
2,000 years later.
Well, that's it. We've done the first soap. So now it's about putting it in the container and try to compress it as much as possible. Make it very hard. All right. Okay, here we go. So it takes a bit of time. You got to do it well if you want to fit everything in the container and not leave any gap. So first, really I pushed with my finger, making sure that there is no gap. And then I had the idea to use my espresso press. And that's actually working really well. Here is the first layer. Again, until we put the full soap in it. Okay, now we are done with the first soap. And do we still have space? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, we've got good space left. Now, the question is, will we be able to fit the second soap in the same container? Let's see. So when you're buying this soap, you have usually two options. To buy it with the nice container or just to buy the recharge, which is this one. I will show you the label so you can see the ingredient in it. It's a soap made with lanolin. So lanolin is, as the soap says, it's the wool fat, the sheep wool fat. So there is a bit of a warning here. Some people might be allergic to the lanolin, so just test it first with me before going full on your face. Okay. So obviously you won't fit like this. It's a bit too high, but you see we have space on the side. So hopefully we'll be able to compensate and fit the whole soap. Might be tight. So back to the same process with a cheese grater. I guess this technique can also be used for any soap when you don't have the container and you want to make it fit perfectly well in a container. Takes a bit of time though.
2,000 years later.
Finally, we're done. And actually, it doesn't look bad. It's very hard. The full soap, both soaps actually went in it. Quite happy with that. So, have you done it already with your soap? Let me know. What do you think about the Mitchell Woolfat? It has quite a rough reputation, but I really love it. What's your opinion about this soap? Have you tried it? Did you like it? Well, hopefully you liked the video. I hope it was useful. Thumbs up is always appreciated. If you haven't subscribed yet, that's the moment for it. And I'll tell you, see you soon. Bye now.